Okay, teaspoon.
No, not too fast. People will vomit if they see it. Okay. I'm not going to put a lot in there.
Okay, stand back.
Add the custard.
Add the custard.
Are we doing it inside?
Okay, goodbye ceiling. Yes.
YouTube
Ziploc
sensation on its way.
This
No,
is
you can't.
gonna
I'm
get
going to stand here.
Yeah.
viral.
Okay.
I only want to hear one beep.
Okay. We shall take 1 teaspoon of custard powder. Come here, kids. You can stand there. Katja.
I'm
Ida.
fine. I'm fine.
No, it's not so dangerous.
It's gonna be on TV.
It's not too bad. Watch. 1 level teaspoon custard powder.
To
Okay.
do it like Floyd.
Oh, this is a fuck up. 1 pump. Now it's gonna. I mean, this is a
That's
fuck
not
up.
on there.
Huh? No, I know, but it was sucking. Now it's gonna suck it down the tube.
Balls.
Which is what I thought those
We're
guys
all
should
gonna
have done.
die.
Okay, now
Okay.
we switch on the blowtorch and we lock it. And 3, 2, 1, 0. Now what? Let go, I've got it. Look here. Awesome.